2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.